Welcome to Daily News Capsule by Dr. Chandanpriya. Here are most important national and international updates you should not miss today. The first news is about new Land Port Management System LPMS. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will launch the Land Port Management System LPMS on Tuesday in New Delhi. It is a digital platform built to combine the operations across all land ports into one unified system, bringing them on par with modern airports and seaports. The key features it offers are end-to-end digital workflows for passengers and cargo, including online slot booking, secure real-time tracking, digital payments, single window clearances. And new facilities are opened at Dakni Land Port in Meghalaya and Srimantapur Land Port in Tripura to support border personnel. The next news is about India Indonesia strategic ties. The Ministry of External Affairs stated that Indonesia is core pillar of India's Act East policy, and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Indonesian Foreign Minister Sugiono co-chaired the 8th India-Indonesia Joint Commission meeting in New Delhi to review bilateral relations. And the areas of cooperation include defense, maritime security, trade, digital connectivity, space, and energy. The next news is about 12 years of welfare schemes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted that the government's 12 years journey has been driven by Antyodaya, that is, uplifting the poorest, and Garib Kalyan, that is, welfare of the poor. The government uses digital platforms and direct benefit transfers to send help directly and transparently, reducing money leakages and boosting public trust. The primary initiatives driving this change include Jandan accounts, Swachh Bharat, PM Awas Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, Ayushman Bharat, which are important for prelims point of view. And the next news is about launch of Bhavya portal for industrial parks. Union Minister Piyush Goyal launched Bhavya portal to speed up the development of 100 investment-ready world-class industrial parks over the next 6 years. With a budget outlay of 33,660 crore, it is a single digital interface where the portal acts as a single website for submitting, evaluating, monitoring, and reporting all stages of these industrial park projects. The next news is about a decade of PM Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan (PMSMA). The Health Ministry is launching nationwide celebrations to mark 10 successful years of the healthcare scheme PMSMA. It provides free healthcare for mothers. Originally launched on 9th of June 2016, the scheme ensures all pregnant women get free and quality health checkups on 9th of every month. And the commemorative releases include a special 75 rupees coin and 5 rupees postal stamp by the Health Minister JP Nadda. Let's look into quick highlights for today. West Bengal has officially become the 36th state to implement the Ayushman Bharat free healthcare scheme. The next news is about World Ocean Day on June 8th. Minister Kirtivardhan Singh urged citizens to protect oceans and life to ensure clean water for future generations. The last news update is about education. National Testing Agency NTA has released the Exam City intimation slips for NEET UG re-examination. That's all for today's daily news capsule. If you found these updates useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Aspirants with Dr. Chandana Priya. Stay informed, stay inspired. Thank you so much.